In the name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful and the most beneficent. Honorable teachers, respected jury, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, my speech topic is Self accountability is the best accountability. Now, I am here to share with you a best thing I believe which has power to transform a society as well as a whole nation. Mr. President, I myself believe in that self accountability is the best accountability. In this modern world, with every individual is surrounded with the complex challenges and diverse responsibilities, it is the better for everyone to know about their responsibilities that he is accountable for his action. When he take ownership of action decisions and their consequences, he will start to live a life full of a personal empowerment and a natural growth. Dear audience, self accountability is not only a concept, it is a guidance principle which shapes our characters and influences of life. It requires honesty and willingness to comfort with a sense and failure. In doing so, one has to cultivate a sense of integrity that frames a strong and principled existence. Respected judges, self accountability can change individual sphere and has potential to shape the collective consequences of a society. Taking personal accountability is a beautiful thing because it gives us complete control of our distances. There are countless benefits of being self accountable. Some of them are given below: increased self awareness, improved decision making, greater self confidence, stronger relationship, more success in life. Dear audience, now it has been clear that self accountability is the best accountability. I will end my speech with saying these lines: it is not only what we do, but also what we do not do, for which we are accountable. This poetry by Molière. Man, please like, share, and subscribe, comment. Thank you so much.